Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct of Vessels in Any Condition of Visibility. Rule 4, Application. Rules in this section apply in any condition of visibility. Explanation. What the sentence means. This rule says that all the rules in Part B, Section 1, i.e. Rules 4 through 10, apply whether visibility is good or poor. In other words, the obligations in this section, lookout, safe speed, risk of collision, action to avoid collision, narrow channels, traffic separation schemes, etc., must be observed in all visibility conditions. Daytime clear weather, fog, heavy rain, night, sandstorms, etc. Why this single sentence is important? It prevents confusion about whether the steering and sailing rules only apply in good visibility. They always apply. It ensures watchkeepers do not relax standards, lookout, speed, etc., just because visibility is restricted. Those duties still stand and must be adapted to conditions. How you apply it on the bridge. Practical points. Always assume rules 5 to 10 are in force and act accordingly. Keep a proper lookout. Proceed at a safe speed. Assess risk of collision and take early and substantial action when required. In restricted visibility, you will additionally apply Rule 19, Conduct of Vessels in Restricted Visibility, but that does not replace Rules 4 to 10. Both sets guide your actions together. If the ship's situation changes, e.g. machinery failure, pilotage, dredging nearby, always interpret Rules 4 to 10 in light of those special circumstances and good seamanship. Example, 2 power-driven vessels meeting at night in clear weather, Rules 410 apply. Lookout, safe speed, head-on, crossing, overtaking rules. Same meeting, but in thick fog. Rules 4 to 10 still apply. And Rule 19, restricted visibility, imposes extra obligations, sound signals, more conservative speed, use of radar.